chicken nuggets with the fries. Yeah! Finally doing it, guys! We are going to be playing Red Dead Redemption today. Let's play this. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Did. But yeah, like any other awesome game made by Rockstar. Basically, Red Dead Redemption is usually just full of this. Oh, and also, hang on. It's also got a bit of this in it too. Oh god. But yeah, basically Red Dead Redemption is basically just a really fun Rockstar game. So, speaking of that, let's get to it. Oh wait, I'm already in it. Anyways, first thing that we should do is set up the weapons how we want them to. Well, we got all these weapons how we want them to. So, up and away! In flames, that is. Yeah. Jedi! Let's have some Jedi level 3 in this. Oh, no you don't. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's it. I can't take it anymore. Okay, that's it. If that's not enough, this will be. Oh, you think that's gonna do anything, huh? Well, let me tell ya. It's not, honey. It's not. I'm just gonna keep on. Yeah. Let's play a game of hide and seek. Oh wait, I already found ya. Guess that's enough torture for ya. That's not enough. Guess this will be. Thank you. Hey, sir, you might not want to do that. Hey, I'm warning you. I'm warning you. I'm the one that's warning you. Okay, you don't want to be warned. Fine with that. Ah, yeah. Ah, you think you can just be a stupid? Well, we'll have a fight to the death. Whoever wins is going to be the one that is alive, not the one that is, well, as I'd always put it, dead. How do you, roll again? I forgot. I think you press, like, RB or something. Like, aim, okay, yeah, I don't got time. That's it. You wanna mess with me like that? Well, then you've got something coming right for you. Wait, why do you just... Oh wait, because this guy's so stupid that he just freaking killed his own teammate. Oh gosh. Yeah. All of a sudden I don't. Okay guys, so that was just freaking, yeah. Oh, right in the heart. Shot through the heart. And you're to blame, darling. You give love a bandit. Yeah, sorry. Sorry for the reference. Whoa. Man, I just shot you in the heart. You should be shot through the heart. Yeah, I'll stop. Shot through the, yeah. Sure, do you want to be shot through the heart and you're too, yeah, I'm sorry. I can't hit. Shot in the leg and you're gonna be saying, hey, stop this. Shot through the heart and you're, wait. Yeah, shot through the heart and you're too, like shot through the arm. Shot through the arm and you're target. Shot through the heart and you're to blame. Come on, you give love a bad name. Speaking of which, I need to get back to my Guitar Hero 5 series. Shot through the heart and you're yeah. Pretty much picture what's going on. Shot through the heart. Yeah, it's probably annoying. I'm going to stop. I just saw them. Just saw them. Oh. Sneaky sneak. Shot through the heart and you're too blame, darling. You live a bad name. I guess what, stupid guy? So do you? Okay, maybe not. Shot through the heart and you're now dead. Oh wait, maybe he's not. And he just bled. Shot through the heart and you're too blame, down and you give love a bad night. Down, 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 down. I wonder what this would be like with music. Seriously. Time to walk along the railroad. Along the railroad. I don't think I'm gonna be ran over. But I might. 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 I might get shot in the head. But don't worry, I'm not dead. I'll fucking dare get out. I'm not going down, down. No, going down. I'm just gonna be running along the trails of freedom. a train, buy a train, buy a train, 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 train. Buy a train, buy a train, buy a train, 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 train. Train, 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 train. Buy a train, 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 train. Buy a train, 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 train. Train, 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 F you. Train, 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 train. Hang on. What's that? Train, train, train to train, train to train, 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 train to train, 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 train to train, 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 train to train, 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 train to train, train to train, 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 train to train, 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 train to train, 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 train to train, train to train. As you can see, I'm not very smart. Shall it be, shall it be? Yeah, I know I got 1 minute remaining. Yeah, you know what? I don't need this horse. But I am riding on a train, train, train to train, train to train, 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 train to train, 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 train to train, 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 train to train. I am a warrior, 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 warrior. That I am a warrior, warrior. Oh, holy! Yeah, no, woo! Time to kill these folks. Now you there? So will you? So will ya? Oh! 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 Not a baby, man. Okay, guys. Sorry to disappoint you. But that's all. Well, be sure to, you know the deal. Comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already. And pretty much wraps it up. See you guys next time. Bye.